Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Winnie Budaiki, and on this video I'm actually showing you the service apartment I'm currently staying at. Oh my god, look at, I've got like a very huge zit. Anyways, it's not about my zits today, it's about the service apartment. Anyways, I'm going to show you the exteriors, but for now I'm going to show you all about the house. So I think I didn't really do a proper video like showing the whole apartment and all, so I'm just going to talk you through. Anyways, this apartment is $170 a night, but if you're going to stay for a long period of time, you get to pay $120 a night. Now, this apartment comes with 2 bedrooms and 3 toilets, and a kitchen and a balcony with a parlor. $170 a night for 2 bedrooms, 3 toilets, a parlor, a balcony, and a kitchen. Bro, if you ask me, that's a cool price. And the good news is that you get to pay $120 a night if you're staying for like a month, a long period, let's say a month above, you get to pay $120. We're starting from the 2nd bedroom, which is not the master's bedroom. The 2nd bedroom has its own toilet, which is not so big, but it's bigger than the guest toilet. It doesn't come with a bathtub, it comes with a shower. Unlike the master's bedroom that comes with a shower and a bathtub, but both bedrooms have huge wardrobes. The 3rd toilet is just a toilet for the guests or visitors you have, or you know, just extra toilets, and there are no bathrooms. The master's bedroom is actually the same size with the 2nd bedroom, but the bathroom is actually bigger. It comes with a bathtub and, you know, this. You just had to spoil my makeup. But yeah, this and this cute little mirror. Then there's the parlor. The parlor is connected to the balcony, so from the balcony, that's basically outside. The parlor is huge. It's the biggest area in the apartment. The chairs are actually really cool. There's a dining section of the living room. The kitchen is actually huge. It has a lot of spaces, you know, a lot of cupboards. There's a microwave, there's a kettle, there's a fridge, there are cutleries, knives, cooking spoons, cupboards big enough, pots. Yeah. And then there's the laundry section, which is where your washing machine and your drying machine are. So you do your laundry yourself. And then there's the very cool balcony, which you just, if you want to receive cool, fresh air, you just stay at the balcony, receive the fresh air and all that stuff. So then the balcony is also connected to the parlor and all that. The pool is actually beautiful. You know, just go there on a sunny day, just relax with your friends, have, you know, chats. When you purchase this apartment, you have free access to the pool. I don't know if you get to pay for the pool if you come from outside, but yeah, you get free access to the pool if you're a resident of the apartment. That's basically all. Yeah. Okay, I left out the part where you get to clean the house yourself, or there are people who are going to clean it for you, but you get to pay them. The last time we paid them, the charge was 150 cedis for cleaning the 2 bedrooms, the parlor, the 3 toilet, the kitchen, the balcony, everywhere in that apartment, and the charge was 150 cedis, which is